Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best oscillating spindle sanders that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the WEN HA5932 oscillating spindle sander. This model is built with versatility in mind, featuring a spacious 14.5 by 14.5 inch table that bevels up to 45 degrees, making it perfect for angled workpieces. It comes with 5 sanding sleeves ranging from 1/2 inch to 2 inches, giving you options for various projects. The 3.5 amp motor delivers a consistent spindle speed of 2,000 RPM and oscillates 58 times per minute, ensuring smooth sanding results. The design and build quality are solid, with an emphasis on stability. At 33.2 pounds, it's sturdy enough to handle heavy workpieces without wobbling. The onboard storage for accessories is a thoughtful touch, keeping everything organized and within reach. However, its larger size means it's less portable compared to other models, so it's better suited for stationary workshop setups. In terms of performance, users have praised its reliable motor and the consistent results it delivers. However, it falls slightly short in terms of dust collection efficiency, which could be improved. At $229.72, it's a bit pricier, but the large work surface and beveling table make it ideal for woodworkers who frequently deal with angled or larger projects. Pros include its spacious table and powerful motor, while cons include its size and average dust collection. At number 4, we have the Fox W1831 oscillating spindle sander. This premium option features a robust 1/2 horsepower motor and a table size of 11.5 times 15 inches, offering a compact footprint without sacrificing power. It includes 5 sanding drum sizes ranging from 3/4 inch to 3 inches, making it versatile for a wide range of sanding tasks. The motor is CSA certified and operates at a maximum rotational speed of 2,000 RPM, ensuring precise and efficient sanding. The build quality of the Fox W1831 is impressive. Weighing in at 32 pounds, it's relatively portable, while still providing the stability needed for workshop use. The sanding sleeves are easy to change, and the overall design feels professional and durable. However, the smaller table size might be a limitation for users working on larger pieces. In terms of performance, this sander excels with its powerful motor and smooth operation. The dust collection system is adequate for most tasks, though it's not the best in its class. At $249, it's the most expensive option on our list, making it ideal for professionals or serious hobbyists looking for a reliable, long-term investment. Pros include its powerful motor and compact design, while cons include its smaller table and higher price point. Taking the number 3 spot is the WEN 6524 oscillating belt and spindle sander. This hybrid model combines belt sanding and spindle sanding in one machine, making it a versatile choice for woodworkers. With a 3.5 amp motor that delivers spindle speeds of 2,000 RPM and belt speeds of 1,575 FPM, it's designed for both precision and efficiency. It comes with 5 spindle sizes and a 4 by 24 inch belt, giving you plenty of options for different sanding applications. The design is compact yet sturdy, weighing 27 pounds. The onboard storage system is a standout feature, keeping all your accessories neatly organized. The beveling work table adds to its versatility, allowing you to tackle angled sanding tasks with ease. However, the machine's lightweight design means it may not be as stable as heavier models during intensive use. In terms of value, the WEN 6524 offers a lot for its price point of $197.40. It's an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists who need a versatile, compact sander. While the dust collection system works well, it could be improved to handle finer particles. Overall, the pros include its dual sanding modes and onboard storage, while cons include its lighter build and average dust collection. At number 2, we have the Woodskill 4A variable speed oscillating belt and spindle sander. This model is a dream for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, offering dual sanding modes with a 2/3 HP motor. The adjustable speed ranges between 1,000 to 1,800 RPM, providing precise control for various woodworking tasks. It comes with a 4 by 24-inch sanding belt and 5 spindle sizes ranging from a 1/2 inch to 2 inches, allowing for great flexibility. The build quality is excellent, with a focus on durability and convenience. At 33.6 pounds, it's stable but still portable. The unique dust collection cover and port are standout features, ensuring a clean working environment. The onboard storage system is also well designed, keeping all your components secure and organized. Performance-wise, the Woodskill sander is a top contender, delivering consistent results across a range of projects. The variable speed control is a game changer, especially for intricate work. While the price is not listed, customer reviews suggest it offers excellent value for its features. Pros include its dual sanding modes, efficient dust collection, and variable speed control, while cons include the lack of detailed pricing information. And finally, taking the #1 spot is the WEN HA5932 Portable Oscillating Spindle Sander. This incredibly affordable option is packed with features, including a powerful 5-amp motor that offers variable speeds from 1,800 to 3,200 RPM. Its lightweight and portable design make it perfect for handheld use in hard-to-reach places, yet it can also be transformed into a stationary sander with the included mounting hardware. The build quality is impressive for its price, weighing just 6.69 pounds. The compact size makes it highly portable, and the non-marring rubber mounting pad ensures stability during use. It comes with 4 sanding spindle sizes and a range of accessories, including clamps and an adjustable straight-edge guide plate. The 1.5-inch dust port is a nice addition, though it's not as efficient as the larger models. At just $55.72, this sander is unbeatable in terms of value. It's ideal for beginners, hobbyists, or anyone looking for a budget-friendly, portable solution. The pros include its affordability, portability, and variable speed motor, while the cons are its limited power and less effective dust collection. Overall, it's a fantastic entry-level option that punches well above its weight in terms of features. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.